A lot of times I find coaches and experts believe that one post, one DM, or one event will sell a high ticket offer. It really works that way. Okay. Most buyers need multiple trust building touch points before they're ready to say yes. So here's how that looks like in my business, like a sample, like a journey to give you an idea of what that looks like. And I want to encourage you to map out yours because once you understand this, it's going to help you intentionally how you want to spend your time. First could be what we call the awareness. They follow my content, whether it's on LinkedIn, like YouTube, or coming to an event like this. It's all about building that awareness. Then the engagement piece, where they join an email list or a community, moving into that deeper engagement to build trust. Then this is what we call another trust building, is through case studies and testimonials that they may be reviewing. This is something I've really doubled down on in the last 2 years in writing case studies, getting client testimonials, written ones and videos, carousels. We do that every single week. Like my team and I, like we'll sit down and look at what are the wins and how can we turn it into case study? Because case studies is such a practical way for your target market to see whether you're relevant, the type of problems you solve, your methodology, what the possible outcome and transformation is. So that is something I want to encourage all of you to do. The next is around even deepening trust even further. Okay, this is through DMs, interactive type of events. And so what I've done over the years now is what the reason I call it interactive events is more two-way communication. So for a lot of you here, I see a lot of you right now, whether it's in the chat or on the video, there's an opportunity for me to engage with you, hear from you, ask questions. So it's more two-way communication versus one-way communication, which really helps deepen trust even further. I really like this method because it's beyond just sending an email, which is just one-way communication. And then the next is around the buying stage, which is really that sales. What I find usually is that most people need to attend maybe 2 to 4 events, experiencing that two-way communication, how I coach to deepening that trust. And before they book a call, usually they'll review success stories, testimonials to reinforce that trust further. So by the time we get on the call, the sales conversation, I would say they're already about 80, 90% bought in. Like if they've done all their research, been engaged. So it's less about me selling. The conversation is more about alignment and the timing of it. And if someone like really interested in working with you, I'll sometimes offer like, hey, come to one of my private group sessions to get a complimentary guest pass to attend a session to see how it's like for me to coach my clients in a more intimate setting so that they can experience that firsthand and what that community is like.